Hi everyone, my name is Shempang El Hujan. I'm a lower primary school teacher. I've completed PUC and art stream with diploma in elementary education, and I have been in this teaching profession for more than 28 years. I am from Meghalaya in West Kazil district. As we know, Meghalaya is located in the northeastern part of India. It is a hilly region, but it's one of the most beautiful places, for it is a land of cloud, a land of culture and history, a land of traditional and value. It also has many beautiful sites for our tourist destination, such as peaks, lakes, caves, monoliths, falls, etc., like the Shillong Peak, the Umnyam Lakes, Nok Kalikai Fall, and many tourist spots around the state. Similarly, the specialty of our district, West Khasi Hills, are it is the largest district in terms of area, rich in natural resources like trees and forests, mineral resources like gold, selenium, and uranium. It has the Maturation Peak, the highest peak of the district and the second peak in Meghalaya. The Nong Khnom River Island, which is the second largest island in the continent of Asia, too located in our district. The Kelang Rocks or the Kremti Rot and the Maupanlur tourist spot are of significant site of our district for our tourist destination. The name of my school is Molais Im Government Lower Primary School, located at Molais Im village. It is a small village, a rural village, 30 kilometers away in the east from the district headquarters and town Nongstoin. The school is a co-educational institute with 6 classes from class 1 up to class 5, included a pre-primary section. There are 4 teachers teaching in the school, and during this academic years, there are 52 students as learners. The problem that I faced was firstly insufficiency of classroom. We have 3 classroom but 6 classes. If partition, some classes must be left out, so it was overcrowded while teaching in a whole type of classroom. Secondly, most of our parents belonging from below poverty line family, illiterate and ignorant. It is harder for us as a teacher to make them realize about the value of education. However, it is a stride for me how to promote and achieving the goal of qualitative education to our younger generation, especially in this 21st century life skill. ZIIEI, or the Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiative, is one of the digital platform of Sri Aurobindo Society, a non-governmental organization meant for the teacher by the teacher. Attending through this program, I learned and realized that there are many initiative ideas which help me to improve the quality of teaching, skill and technique without spending any money thereof. The innovative Pathshala curriculum tool, or IPCT, provide me the stimulus to think and the platform to respond of action. It also trained me for activity-based teaching ideas, which I understand that to make teaching experience, I have to engage students in activity. During the training session, many activities through the ZIIEI trainers, through Ma'am Malini Kaini, I have learned and found the solution to my problem, as she support and encouraged me a lot. I share my ideas and she helped me in improving the ideas. I also gain a lot of benefit through the training session which we have completed so far. The activity which I was thinking, I was able to share it with my colleague teacher in school and implement it with my student. My school is a role model school of the district because we have responsible teacher in spite of many obstacles and problems we face. Yet as teacher, we will never give up in maintaining self-respect and dignity, fulfillment and sincerity to our work and services, discipline and cooperation among the teachers, parents, and the student as a whole. For the better we imparted knowledge and education today will be brighter for our generation tomorrow. Last but not the least, I extend my heartiest thanks to the Director of Education Mekhlia Shillong through our SDSEO Noston for deputing me to be a part of the ZIIEI training program. The Aurobindo Society, the only NGO in India for creating such a platform in promoting teacher education, national and internationally, and to the HDFC Bank in rendering a helping hand to the society in sponsorship of scholarship to students and awarding teachers across the country. So once again, thank you Aurobindo Society and FDFC Bank for giving the teacher such a wonderful opportunity. Thank you.